Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to clear Instagram, search suggestions, and reset what Instagram recommends to you. This is helpful if you want a fresh search experience. Now, let's get started. Step 1, open the Instagram app on your phone. This is where all your searches and suggestions are managed. Step 2, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your profile page where account settings can be accessed. Step 3, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu with settings and control options. Step 4, tap settings. This section contains all customization and privacy options for your Instagram account. Step 5, scroll down to the What You See section. This area controls the content and suggestions shown to you. Step 6, tap Content Preferences. Here you can manage and reset how Instagram personalizes your content. Step 7, tap Reset Suggested Content. This option clears previous activity-based suggestions. Step 8, tap Next to continue. This moves you to the confirmation screen. Step 9, tap Reset Suggested Content again. This confirms your decision to clear suggestions. Step 10, confirm to reset suggested content. Once done, Instagram will refresh your search and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel for more helpful tutorials.